using databases inside the tool chest. Welcome to day 34, where we're in week 5 and focusing on creating a tool chest of useful tools in Notion. Today we're stepping it up and we're adding tools that contains self-contained databases. That means that the tool itself contains a database that's duplicated every time you create an instance of this tool. So we're going to exemplify this with a nice gallery view. We're using vacation ideas as the concept here. I'll create a new database. I'll be sure to select on its own page, and then I go on a gallery view and I start adding my vacation ideas. I'll keep it quite simple. I'll add a cover picture for this to make it look nice in the gallery view, and I'll also add tags. So for Venice I'll add Italy and ocean, and for the others I'll handle them similarly. This is just an example, so we'll be happy here and we'll exit out, create a new button for our page. Add it to the tool chest, and then we can start using it. So as you can see, I have a nice head start when I create a new gallery of the type I created. I can easily add Tokyo as my next vacation idea, and off I go. We'll then duplicate this. So we'll add our second gallery of vacation ideas. And as you can see here, when I add things to one but not the other, they're completely independent. So they only contain the resorts or the vacation ideas that I added to that specific page. They don't communicate in any way. So you probably won't use this in this specific way for vacation ideas. You probably would use it for something else, but it's quite nice to have a template with a pre-built gallery view exactly the way you want it. We'll leave this here today, and I really recommend you to join us tomorrow when we're contrasting this with a more advanced concept of using a shared database for multiple views that you create from the tool chest. Thank you very much for joining, and hope you have a very nice day. See you tomorrow.